Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best Chemical Guys leather wipes you can get for your car and home. The Chemical Guys PMWSPI20850 Leather Cleaner Wipes Mega 50 Pack. If you're looking for a fast, effective, and convenient way to maintain your leather surfaces, this is the product you need. Whether it's your car seats, boots, furniture, or bags, these wipes work wonders on both natural and synthetic leather, pleather, and faux leather. So, why should you care about these wipes? First off, you're getting a Mega 50 pack. That's a lot of cleaning power in one purchase. With each wipe, you get the power to clean and protect your leather, ensuring it stays looking fresh and avoids fading or discoloration. Imagine not having to worry about your leather surfaces getting damaged, even with frequent use. These wipes are designed to handle everything from dirt and body oils to dust, giving your leather a clean, fresh look every time. Using these wipes is a breeze. Simply take one wipe, and with a gentle motion, apply it to your leather item. It doesn't leave any sticky residue behind, unlike some soaps or cleaners. Afterward, just buff it dry with a fresh microfiber towel, and you're done. The process is so simple, you'll find yourself looking forward to leather cleaning rather than dreading it. One of the best parts of these wipes is that they're not just about cleaning. They also hydrate and protect your leather in the same way you'd treat your hair or skin. Leather is a natural material, and just like our skin, it needs hydration to stay looking great and to prevent cracking. These wipes do exactly that by helping to keep your leather moisturized, while also preventing wear and tear over time. It's all about long-term care and making sure your leather items last. These wipes are versatile, too. They're great for more than just car interiors. You can use them on leather boots, purses, jackets, and even furniture. Basically, if it's leather, it can be treated with these wipes. Whether you're sprucing up your vehicle or giving your favorite leather jacket a refresh, these wipes make it quick and easy. Chemical Guys is known for its high-quality products, and these leather wipes are no exception. They're formulated to clean effectively without harming your leather, and they don't contribute to fiber deterioration, which is something you really need to watch out for when using other leather cleaners. So, if you're tired of using products that don't deliver or make leather maintenance more of a hassle than it should be, these wipes are a game changer. They're efficient, leave no residue, and most importantly, they protect and preserve your leather for the long haul. The Mega 50 pack offers great value, so you'll have plenty of wipes for multiple cleaning sessions, whether you're using them for your car, your home, or your personal leather items. To sum it all up, the Chemical Guys PMWSPI20850 Leather Cleaner Wipes Mega 50 Pack is the best choice. For anyone who wants to keep their leather surfaces in top condition without the hassle of complicated cleaning methods. If you care about your leather items and want a quick, easy, and effective way to clean and protect them, these wipes are exactly what you need. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.